I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. Are you looking to get more organized with your Google Drive cloud storage? Creating new folders in Google Drive is a fantastic way to keep your files and documents neatly sorted and easily accessible, whether you're managing work projects, school assignments, or personal memories. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to create a new folder in Google Drive, helping you to organize your digital life. Step 1. Open Google Drive in your web browser and then navigate to the existing folder where you want to create a new folder. Step 2. Click the drop-down arrow associated with the folder you're currently in at the top of this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Click New Folder in this menu. A new folder window pops up. Step 4. Enter the name of your new Google Drive folder and then click Create. The window closes and you'll see your new Google Drive folder has been created. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.